Hello, good morning. I am Fathima Femin, Department of Civil Engineering from VVIT. Today I am excited to share with you a revolutionary concept in building material and construction, hydroceramic wall, and discuss its significance and what are the advantages uses in civil engineering. Let's start. These are my contents. What is hydroceramic wall? What are the components? How does hydroceramic wall work? Then what are the application? Current state of hydroceramic wall technology, future hydroceramic wall. What are the types of hydroceramic wall? Advantages of hydroceramic wall. Then what are the challenges? Case studies. Then conclusion. Hydroceramic wall. Hydroceramic wall is a composite material that is mainly made up of hydrogel, fabric and ceramic. It is passive cooling system which is mainly reduce the temperature in interior space up to 5 to 6 degrees Celsius. This wall are a type of wall that is made up of porous ceramic block that are filled with water. This is mainly the water evaporate from the block, cooling the air and create humid microclimate. This humid microclimate can help to reduce the building energy consumption up to 30%. The main use of hydroceramic wall is energy consumption and humidity regulations. This is the symbol diagrammatic representation of the hydroceramic wall in outer sheet as well as inner sheet prototype and outer sheet prototype. Then what are the components of hydroceramic wall? Hydroceramic wall consists of 8 components. First one is hydrogel layer, then ceramic matrix, then water supply system, baker board, air gap, protective coating and insulation and sensors and control. These are the main components of hydroceramic wall. Let's discuss what is hydrogel layer. Hydrogel layer is the main components of hydroceramic wall. It is made up of hydroscopic material such as a polyacrylamide that can absorb up to 500 times its own weight on water, and it is ability to absorb retain water and what make hydrogel ideal for passive cooling application. Then ceramic matrix mainly provide as a structural support for the hydrogel layer and also help to water vapor to escape, and typically which is also used to protect the hydrogel layer from the UV radiation and other environmental factors. Then water supply system needed to replenish the water loss through evaporation, which is maintain the amount of water. Then water baker board is a material that mainly used to support the ceramic matrix. Then air gap, it is the gap between baker board and the ceramic matrix. Then protective coating is the material that is applied to the surface of the hydroceramic wall to protect it from the weathering and as well as damaging. Then insulation can be added hydroceramic wall to improve thermal performance and also help to cool air inside of the building and also hot air in the outside. Then sensors and control sensors and control can be used to monitor and control the performance of the hydroceramic wall, and sensors can measure the temperature, humidity and moisture content of the hydrogel layer, and also control can be used to adjust the water supply system and ensure that the hydrogel layer support properly and hydrated. These are the 8 components of the hydrogel layer. Then how does it work? How does hydroceramic wall work? It is mainly water absorbed from the surrounding, then it is evaporated, that is mainly when the surrounding air temperature increases, absorb the water, hydrogen start evaporated, Then next level is cooling effect. Cooling is started. A water evaporate, absorb heat from the surrounding air, result in cooling effect. The heat energy transferred from the air and evaporating water and causes noticeable drop in temperature. Then humidity regulation. The evaporation process also increases the humidity of the surrounding air, which can help to improve thermal comfort and especially in dry climate, which is a closed system. Closed symbol diagrammatic representation. Mainly the surrounding water is absorbed, then which is evaporated. Then cooling effect means when the surrounding temperature is increases, the cooling effect is also increases. Then vice versa. Then humidity regulation, humidity will be regulated. Then what are the applications of hydroceramic wall? Hydroceramic walls used in infrastructure, transportation, agriculture. In infrastructure, they are used road, bridge, other infrastructure project. Transportation, the hydroceramic wall also used in coal buses, train and other vehicle. Then agriculture field, the hydroceramic walls used to cool greenhouse and other agriculture. What is the current size of hydroceramic wall technology? The researchers are working to develop a new hydroceramic material which is improve the cooling performance and durability. They are also working to develop a new way to manufacturing and install hydroceramic wall. Next, future of hydroceramic wall. Hydroceramic wall is a potential to become widely used technology for cooling building and other structure. There are number of benefits including passing cooling and reduced carbon emission and improved indoor air quality and heat reduced ion effect. Hydroceramic wall technology continue to develop. It is likely to become more affordable and easier to install and making it even more attractive to building owners and operators. These are the futures. Then what are the types of hydroceramic wall? Hydroceramic wall mainly two types. First one is evaporating cooling wall and a radiant cooling wall. Evaporating cooling wall means this wall used evaporation of water to cool the air. Then radiant cooling wall means this wall mainly used the reflection of IR radiation, that means infrared radiation, to cool the air. These are the two types of the then what are the advantages of hydroceramic wall over traditional cooling system? It is mainly more energy efficient and they are more produce fewer emission, they are more sustainable, they are more durable, they are more affordable. Then what are the challenges of hydroceramic wall? They can be more difficult to install the traditional cooling system. Compared to traditional cooling system, they are more difficult to install and also they are may not to be effective in all climate condition and they may require regular maintenance. Maintenance work is high, initial cost is high. These are the advantages and the challenges. Then next we are moved to what case studies. First case studies from the USA, Milwaukee Art Museum in Wisconsin. The Milwaukee Art Museum, Wisconsin, USA, a hydroceramic, which is mainly feature of hydroceramic facade that help regulate the building temperature. The museum facade consists of a series of panels that are embedded with the hydrogel. These hydrogel absorb water from the air, which evaporate and cool the surrounding air in the summer. In the winter, the hydrogel release water vapor which condense and release heat, warming the surrounding air. Then hydroceramic can be used to reduce energy consumption, improve indoor air quality and reduce building carbon footprint. The researchers continues and manufacturing cost decreases. We can accept to see hydroceramic used as an even wider variety of building and product. Next, second case study said the National Museum of Singapore is home to a stunning hydroceramic wall that was installed in 2014. The walls are made up of 2 lakh ceramic tiles that have been coated with a special hydrogel. This hydrogel has the ability to absorb as well as and to retain water, which can help keep the cool and humid. The wall also embeds number of sensors that will collect the what are the status of the environment, what are the temperature, humidity, and light level as well as light level. This data is used to control the amount of water that is released from the hydrogel, ensuring that wall always at the optimal temperature and humidity. Then I conclude my topic. Hydroceramic wall are promising new technology for cooling building and other structures. They are offer a number of advantages over traditional cooling systems such as energy efficiency, sustainability and affordability. As hydroceramic wall technology continued to develop, as likely to become even more widely used in the future. Then hydroceramic wall are sustainable and energy efficient technology that can be used to variety of application. They offer number of advantages over traditional wall, including reduced energy consumption, improved air quality, reduced noise pollution, and increased property value. As the cost of hydroceramic wall decreases and more people become aware of their benefit, and they are likely to become more popular in the year to come. Thank you.